Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am always on the lookout for high quality products that will give you good value for your money. And I am so excited to share with you my latest find, which is this remarkable high chair.
This is an Abiie Beyond wooden high chair with tray. It is transformable or fully adaptable, which means that from the moment your child can be in a high chair, so from about 6 months old, all the way through its life, this chair adapts to become a wooden chair or dining room chair that can hold up to 250 pounds. It's durable, well made, and beautiful. I was impressed with how comfortable it was to sit on, even as a chair. And the fact that it comes in pieces, so you have to assemble it, but they give you very clear instructions. And if you're the kind of person who needs videos, there's QR codes all along the way. So you simply watch a video, and it's so simple to put this beautiful chair together.
This company has really put so much thought and care into building this for your child. So from 6 months old to 12 years old, this high chair will just continue to adapt to the needs of your child. I love the color and the design, the quality of the wood, even the fastenings. Everything down to the last detail has been thought of. And you know that when you get this, either for your child or as a gift, this is something that's going to be in the family for generations. I'm so impressed by the remarkable quality of this high chair and how beautiful it is just as a piece of furniture in your home. You will not be disappointed by this purchase, and that is my point of view.